I'm Ant, Rant's World. If you're new to the channel, please press the subscribe button, really appreciate it. I've had a few messages recently because in my videos I do a lot of hand launching with my Mavic Mini. And somebody's asked about if I have any tips.
How do you do that drone in your hands thing?
I'm a novice, but the advice I can give is advice I've learned myself. If anybody's got any good tips, advice or anything about anything to do with the Mavic Mini, please comment below. I'm not a professional drone person, if that's the right word, but I just love these things. They're so much fun. You know, you get some amazing footage with them, what you won't be able to do with a handheld camera. So yeah, when I started flying the Mavic Mini, to get a bit more confidence with the hand launch, I used the guards, the prop guards, chuck them on, give it a go, you know, get your confidence. Favourite tip is I bought this. It was off eBay, goes around your neck, goes on the controller. So then when you are doing a hand launch, it takes the weight of the controller, so you're able to do it one-handed, because obviously you're concentrating on one hand there, and your controller. I'll tell you what, I'm probably better off just showing you. I'm going to go and grab everything, and we'll go outside. Hi, I'm outside now. I've got the Mavic Mini with me. The reasons I do hand launching is, if you've got long grass or sand or soil, grit, anything like that, you don't want to be putting your drone down in that. It's not good for the drone, it's not good for the motors, so it's handy just to be able to do the hand launch. So the clip literally sits in there, you push it in like that, and then your phone goes in there. Really easy. As you can see, I can go hands-free, I can concentrate on holding the drone, and I can do launch one finger. It's just like that. Look, it doesn't fall. When I'm going to do the hand recovery, I just make sure around me that it's not uneven. I mean, if there's breaks or loose stuff anywhere, or if you're at the top of some steps, because you sometimes have to adjust a little bit, so you don't want to be falling over and injuring yourself like that. So just take a few minutes, you know. I'm alright here because I'm on a flat field, you know, I'm not going to fall down anything. There's nothing I can trip over or anything like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the land button, have my hand underneath. You'll see the drone like hesitate until it pick up my hand, and then it'll just drop onto my hand. I'm keeping my hand as flat as I can. Even your thumb, because sometimes it's easy to do that. Keep everything flat. Hand underneath. Another way I do it as well is I pull down on the stick, get it to a height I can easily grab it and turn it. Really fast, but you've got to be confident to do that. You do not want to get your fingers caught in them props.